Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Miriam and I'm super excited to have you here. Since this is my first video, I'll be giving you a quick rundown of what this channel is all about. So if you're new here and you're interested in learning how to level up your skills, make money online, or you just want to find easier ways to do things yourself without spending a dime, then you're in the right place. In this channel, I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and insights that can help you get along, whether you're a student or a young professional or just someone looking to grow. I'll also be sharing bits about myself, so please stay tuned. So have you ever found yourself thinking, I can totally do this myself, so why do I have to pay someone for it? Well, I know I have. For example, when it came to creating an email signature, I thought this is something I should be able to do on my own, right? Well, I was right. I figured out how to do it and I'm here to show you how to do it as well. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 easy methods on how to create and add an email signature in Gmail. This is my first video you all and I'm super excited to dive in with you. Let's get started.
So I'll be sharing my screen and I'm going to start with the quickest method, which is adding your email signature directly in Gmail. This method is perfect if you just want something simple and straightforward. So we are going to move right to, first you open your Gmail and then you head over to your settings. Click on settings and then you click on see all settings. Remember that it will be much easier to use your laptop while you're trying to do this. Make sure that it is on general, then you scroll down until you see signature. I already have this is it. I already have quite a couple of signatures here that I created. So I'm going to just click on create new. And then you give it a name. So I'm just going to give it my brand name, which is Expert. Then you click on create. Then come here, you write your name, or you can put it in any format you want. And then I'm going to put CEO of Expert, my brand name. Click enter and then you can put your website address. Click enter and you start editing. So I'm going to select this and click on link so it shows this way. I'm also going to make this bold. I'm going to make this bold. And then after doing this, you can decide to change the format of how your name appears. I think I'll just leave mine as normal. I prefer it this way. You can change the text color. You can insert image. So you can come here and insert an image. So I'm just going to click on it and then I'll be inserting an image from my Google Drive. I'll be using this particular image of my brand and then I'll click on insert. Now due to the fact that the image is really large, it's not yet showing, but you can see that the image is there but it's not just showing yet. So I'm going to click on small to reduce the size, and there we have it. You can leave it this way or you can decide to increase the size of the image. You can also choose to bring this image upwards. Alright, so you can choose to bring it upwards this way. I think I prefer it this way. So I'm going to be saving this. So I'm just going to scroll downwards and then come here for new emails. Make sure that you go back to the name that I remember the name I created, Vexpert. So you're going to click on Vexpert so that when you are creating a new email, that is the signature that is going to come out. And then you scroll all the way downwards and click on save changes. Now it's going to take you back to your home page and then you're going to click on compose to see if it has worked. Alright, so here we have it, your email signature. This is the image I inserted, this is my name, and this is the website link. So all you have to do is to just type your email and then click on send. This is going to appear on every email that you send. So there you go, guys. This is the first method. This is the first and the simplest method of creating an email signature using Gmail. So let's move to the next method. Okay, now let's step it up a notch by using Google Doc to create an email signature. Open your Google documents like I already have here. So I'm going to start with typing my name, um, and I'll be using my brand to create this. And then I'm going to be adding my logo, which I already have here. So I'm just going to, this is it. Okay, here we go. So I'm just going to reduce the size of this. So I'm going to be adding some icons like my YouTube channel and my Gmail account. You could also add your social media channels. So you could add icons from the social media channels, but I'm just going to stick with my YouTube channel for now and my Gmail. So you could go to your Google search Gmail icon and then have one downloaded. I already have one downloaded. You could also do the same thing for your YouTube icon. So to upload your images to keep for easy access, you can just click on this image, for example, right click and then click on view more options and then you click on save to keep. And that is what I did. So click on it and then click on add to document. Also click on your icon add to document. So I'm just going to wipe this off. I'm going to add a link to this so that when this is clicked, it will take them to my YouTube page. So I'll click on it and then click on insert link here, paste my link and click on apply. Now I'm also going to do the same thing for my Gmail. Then I'll click on apply. Then I will go ahead to reduce the size. So I'm also going to add a phone number. This number is not valid. I'm just adding it for the sake of this video. I will be adding an address as well. This is also an invalid address that is added just for the sake of this video. I'm also going to be adding a confidentiality notice, and you could do that by searching Google. I already have one here, so I'm just going to now I'm going to go ahead to edit. I'm just going to copy, make that extra light. Then I'll go ahead to reduce the spacing. So I'm just going to reduce the space of everything to make it look good enough for. So we're just going to copy this to our, click on settings, see all settings, create new. We're going to keep it the name, use this, and then we'll just paste it. You can still edit this a little bit. I'm going to edit this and then make sure and then we're just going to save. We're going to check to see how that came out, and this is it. So this is how you can create an email signature using Google Doc. Like I said, you can choose to add more icons from your social media. You can put it any way you like and change the font the way it pleases you. But this is just like the way I want to do mine for now. And lastly, let's quickly see how we can create an email signature using Canva. So I'm going to click on Canva. So you can click on www.canva.com. If you do not have an account, you can open a free account. Alright, so we're on Canva right now, and what you're going to do is to click on search, and then you're going to search email You need to search for templates, email signature. So you're going to be looking out for templates that are free. Canva is going to give you tons of templates to use. As you can see there are 2,000 and 54 templates to use from this email signature. So we're going to be looking out for templates that are free. Like this one right here. Whenever you see this pro, it means that it is not free. So we are not going to use those. We're just going to pick one that is free to use, and I think I'm going to go with this. So we're just going to click on that, and then we're going to click on customize this template. This is simple and easy because it is already a template. So we're going to start in our images. So I'm just going to delete this one. Alright, so we're going to click on upload. And I already have some of the images I would like to use here. You can click on upload files to upload your own images. So I'm going to be going with this particular one. And then I'll be editing this. So all you have to do is just edit, and you're good to go. I'm going to leave the number and the email address, the website, and every other thing that way for the sake of this video. But you can always edit them and change the colors. You can play around with the colors. You can play around with the font. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to leave it this way. Click on download. Make sure you're downloading as a PNG file to get the best of the quality. You go back to your email, click on settings, see all settings, click on create new. You're going to name this Canva signature. I'm going to be getting this image from my Google Drive. Alright, so this is our downloaded email signature. So I just need to come here, make sure that it is on Canva Sig, and then you click on Save Changes. So we're going to try to compose an email to see how that looks like. And here we go. This is our email signature from Canva. So these are the 3 easy ways you can add your email signature to your Gmail. So guys, I hope you found these tips helpful. Whether you're looking for something quick and easy, or you want to be a bit creative, there's a method for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please do give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching. Bye.